One of these homes has a 2 to 4 year waiting list. One of them prints itself out of a nozzle in under 24 hours. And at least 2 of them have hidden costs that don't show up until you're already 3 months into the process. I looked into 10 of the prefab home companies everyone's talking about in 2026. The real starting prices, the real reviews, and the details buried in the fine print that most top 10 videos conveniently skip. Stay to the end, because number 1 on this list has one of the most misunderstood price tags in the entire industry. And I'm going to break down exactly why. Before we get into it, if you're actually shopping for a prefab home right now, hit subscribe, because this channel, Homes and Haven, exists to save you from finding these details out the hard way. No sponsorships, no affiliate pressure, just what I actually found when I looked past the marketing pages. Let's get into it. Quick note before the list. I'm not ranking these best to worst. They serve completely different buyers, from a $50,000 backyard studio to a 6-figure architectural home. What you'll get for each one is the real starting price, who it's actually built for, and the honest catch that the company's own marketing tends to soften. Prices below are base or starting prices only. None of them include land, site work, permits, or utility hookups unless I specifically say so, and I'll flag that every time matters. Number 10, Clayton Homes. Starting around $100 to $200 per square foot delivered. Clayton is the practical, unglamorous entry on this list, and I mean that as a compliment. It's a HUD code manufactured and modular home company with retail centers across the country, which means actual inventory, actual financing options, and a business that isn't dependent on a single factory keeping up with demand. What they don't tell you is loudly, HUD tag manufactured homes can face financing and appraisal restrictions in some markets compared to site-built or fully modular homes. And resale value can vary a lot by state and lot type. If you're buying land and a home together, ask specifically which product line you're getting, manufactured, modular, or their cross-mod option, because the financing rules are different for each one. Number 9, Stillwater Dwellings. This one sits at the top of the price ladder on purpose. Stillwater builds architect-designed, modern prefab homes aimed at buyers who want a genuinely custom-feeling design without a fully custom-build timeline. You're looking at a premium, 6-figure and up investment, depending on size and finishes. This isn't a starter home category. The honest catch, design-forward premium prefab, still runs on a custom-adjacent timeline. You're saving construction time compared to fully stick-built architecture, but not nearly as much as the budget end of this list. And site costs for a design like this can rival the structure itself if you're building on a challenging lot. Number 8, Method Homes. Method Homes prices out around $300 per square foot, and they build both custom residential projects and commercial or accessory structures. Buyers who choose Method tend to be prioritizing design quality and real customization over rock-bottom cost or the fastest possible timeline. What doesn't always make the pitch? Timeline here is measured in weeks to months, not days. Genuinely faster than fully custom stick build. But this is not an instant house situation. If speed is your number 1 priority, this isn't the fastest name on this list, even though it's a well-regarded one. Number 7, Connect Homes. Connect Homes sits in a similar price bracket to Method, built around clean, modern, glass-forward modules. It's a solid pick for buyers who want a design-driven modern aesthetic without going fully custom architect. The honest note here is one that applies to most of the design-forward names on this list. Get a real, written, site-specific quote before you fall in love with a floor plan. Base pricing on a modular home's marketing page is almost never what you'll actually pay once your specific lot, grading, and utility distances are factored in. Number 6, Cover. Cover is one of the established names in the California ADU space, offering a turnkey process that handles design, permitting, and installation as a package rather than leaving you to coordinate separate vendors. That single point of accountability is a genuine selling point for buyers who don't want to become a part-time general contractor. What's worth knowing? Turnkey ADU pricing in California commonly lands in the $300 to $500 per square foot range once delivery and installation are included, which surprises buyers who anchored on a lower base unit price they saw first. Turnkey convenience has a real cost attached to it. It's not necessarily a bad trade, but go in expecting the full number, not the teaser number. Number 5, Abodu. Abodu, also based in California, runs a very similar turnkey model to cover studio, 1-bedroom, and 2-bedroom modular ADUs that arrive essentially complete and get set in a day, with permitting and site coordination handled as part of the process in most of the metros they serve. The honest catch is the same one that applies across the entire California ADU category. Permit acceptance and total project costs still vary a lot by city and lot condition, even with a turnkey provider doing the coordination. Confirm your specific jurisdiction's requirements before you sign anything. A turnkey company can smooth the process, but it can't override your local building department. Number 4, Mighty Buildings. This is the one that looks like science fiction until you see it in person. Mighty Buildings 3D prints structural wall panels using a UV-cured composite material, then assembles them into finished ADUs and small homes, a process that can dramatically cut the on-site construction timeline compared to conventional building. Turnkey pricing for their ADUs has landed in roughly the $200,000+ range, depending on size and configuration, positioned as a premium, tech-forward product rather than a budget one. Worth knowing, while the company built its name in the backyard ADU space, it's since expanded into panelized, 3D printed composite home packages aimed at entire residential developments and single-family communities, not just one-off backyard units. That's a meaningful shift in scale worth knowing if you're evaluating this as a company rather than just a single product. What doesn't get emphasized enough? This is still a California-focused operation, and 3D printed construction is a newer enough category that long-term maintenance, resale comparables, and insurance underwriting are still catching up to the technology. It's genuinely innovative. Just go in knowing you're an earlier adopter of the category, not buying into a decades-proven system the way you would with a HUD-code manufactured home. Number 3, Plant Prefab. Plant Prefab builds premium, architecturally designed sustainable homes and has continued investing in automated manufacturing capacity, including newer factory operations built specifically to serve Western U.S. markets efficiently. It's aimed at buyers who want real architectural design credibility paired with prefab efficiency, not a budget entry point. The honest note, premium sustainable prefab still carries a premium price tag, and sustainable materials, as a selling point, is worth verifying against your specific model's actual spec sheet rather than the general brand messaging. Not every configuration or finish package carries the same environmental credentials. Number 2, Dvele. Dvele starts at roughly $165,000 for their smallest ADU or guest house module, and climbs from there. If you're looking at a full single-family home rather than a small module, the number changes significantly. Turnkey single-family configurations typically start in the $350,000 to $450,000 range and can push past $600,000 depending on size and finishes. Built around health-conscious materials, high-performance energy systems, and integrated smart home technology is standard, not an upsell. This is one of the strongest names in that specific lane if you want a genuinely high-performance building envelope without designing it yourself from scratch. What's worth knowing honestly? That $165,000 figure people quote is a floor for the smallest product in the lineup, not a typical delivered price for an actual house. You're paying for medical-grade air filtration, solar microgrid integration, and passive house-level thermal engineering as standard equipment, and the price scales with how much home you're actually building. If your priority is the lowest possible cost per square foot, this isn't the entry on this list built for that goal. Number 1, Boxabl. And here's the one everyone's heard of, and the one with the most misunderstood price tag in the entire prefab world. Boxabl's Casita starts at $49,500 for the base unit, genuinely one of the lowest entry prices in factory-built housing, and the folding delivery format is a real engineering achievement, unrolling the structural shell from truck to foundation in under 2 hours once your site is actually ready for it. Here's the honest timeline detail that headline speed number tends to blur. Unfolding the walls is fast, but that's not the same as move-in ready. Final roof sealing, interior trim transitions, and utility hookups for water, sewer, and electric still take several days to a couple of weeks after unfolding, even on a pre-poured foundation. It's still dramatically faster than stick-built construction. Just don't picture sleeping in it the same afternoon the truck pulls away. And separately from the timeline, here's what the price tag doesn't include: land, foundation, delivery mileage, and utility hookups are all separate, and realistic total installed costs commonly land somewhere between roughly $55,000 and well over $100,000 depending on your site's complexity. That's still a strong value proposition, but it's not a $50,000 house once it's actually livable on your land. And then there's the part that genuinely deserves an honest flag. Boxabl has a large reservation backlog, and multi-year wait times have been common for buyers who put down a deposit expecting a much faster delivery. Some early customers have reported difficulty getting deposit refunds when their timelines stretched far past what they originally expected. None of this means the company is a scam. Factories, real units, and real deliveries genuinely exist, and state approval status has been improving in several markets. But if you're considering a reservation, read the refund terms carefully, verify current wait times directly with the company before you pay anything, and go in treating this like the calculated risk of an early-stage manufacturing company, not a guaranteed delivery date. That combination, genuinely low entry price, genuinely innovative engineering, and a genuinely real risk of a multi-year wait, is exactly why Boxabl earns the #1 spot on a list about what these companies don't tell you up front. If there's one honest takeaway across this entire list, it's this: the number on the homepage is almost never the number you'll actually pay, and the timeline on the homepage is almost never the timeline you'll actually get. That's not necessarily deception. Site conditions, permitting, and manufacturing capacity are genuinely hard variables to predict from a generic marketing page. But it does mean the burden is on you as the buyer to ask for a real, written, site-specific quote and a real, current timeline before you put down any money. The good news is that Prefab, across nearly every name on this list, is still meaningfully faster and often more cost-predictable than fully custom stick-built construction once you account for these realities. It's just not the instant, effortless process the render images make it look like. That's the honest version of the 2026 prefab landscape. 10 real companies, real starting prices, and the details worth knowing before you put down a deposit on any of them. If this saved you from a surprise down the road, do me a favor and subscribe. This is Homes and Haven. I put these breakdowns together because I'd rather you go into a build fully informed than impressed by a homepage render. New videos like this one drop every week. Let me know in the comments, which of these 10 is actually on your shortlist. I read every comment, and it genuinely shapes what we cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.